Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed half of this video and realized that my camera wasn't recording. So this is my Ipsy bag for the month of April. There's only one product in it that I don't know what it is because I realized it wasn't filming at that point. So let's just get into it. I was super excited to get the NYX Ibiza liquid, what the frick are these called? Soft matte lip creams. That's it swatched right there. I'm super excited to have a super bright, fun lip color for the spring. I definitely have been slowly getting into them this year. I feel like I usually go straight from like winter lips to spring lips. This year I've been a little more hesitant for some reason. I'm not really sure, but that'll help me get there. Next I got the Way finishing cream. You can use this dry. The only thing I don't like is that it's like to here. This is super light. There's like nothing in it, but it can be used as a styler. It can be used as heat protection. Not too excited about it because it's just so empty. Then I got the Steve Laurent blush. And I loved the box it came in, which is still on my lap. It's like rose gold. I compared it to this blush we got like 2 months ago by Bang Beauty. It's the same exact like cute little packaging, but this is the Steve Laurent blush. And the thing that is weird to me about it, it's a very pretty color. It's like a mauve, rose, pink. That's it swatched right there. Reminds me a little bit of Dallas by Benefit. A little more bronze. Is that this is not a very spring color. This is a very winter fall colored blush to me. But you know what? It is pretty. I'll try it, but a little weird, a little bit weird. Then I got this Ruby Shader blending brush. Super excited about this. All of these end up in my kit. I love using them. This is super soft, super nice. So definitely excited about this. It feels a little light and cheap in the like handle, but your girl loves getting brushes in Ipsy. And the last but not least thing that I didn't know if I got or not, it's by Hemp's. It's a pure herbal lip ultra moisturizing herbal balm enriched with hemp seed oil. So that's actually pretty cool. I love chapsticks. I'm more into the stick form, but what does this smell like? Does this smell like super medicinal? Oh no, it smells like lemony. What does this smell like? Yeah, this smells like lemon cream. This smells freaking delicious. Super excited to almost just like have this on my lips to kind of eat. Just kidding. But this smells delicious. I mean, okay, I'm pretty excited about this Ipsy bag. I'm sorry if this seemed kind of rushed, but I had already freaking done this video, except to this product. I'm excited for the lip product. It smells delicious. Anything moisturizing for my lips is always helpful. The Way hair care, like I would be more excited for this, but like actually maybe there's more like to here. There is literally nothing in here. This is like so stupid to me, but so that's a bummer. Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX, that's always awesome. I have them all basically. I love them, but I like having the bigger, this is the full size. I like having the bigger full size because it goes on your lips better. I have like a bunch of the little trial sizes that I've got in like a holiday package and there's like nothing in it. It's really freaking annoying. Definitely excited for the brush. I'm gonna take it with me on a wedding this weekend to do, like fresh, clean brush. And the blush is okay. It's a little bit like weird to me that I'm getting like this mauve fall blush. It has like super fine lilac glitters in it. I don't know if you can see that, so kind of rando, but all in all, a decent showing from Ipsy. I'm pretty excited about it. I will wrap all these products up at my end of the month in my review of my subscription boxes, which I get BoxyCharm, Ipsy, and Sephora Play. So if you want to see that, you can always subscribe. And in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous evening. Bye.